Guys, welcome back. I'm here to do another product review on another Maui Moisture product. I'm going to be reviewing this right here. This is the Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I believe you can find it over at Walgreens, CVS, Ulta Beauty, possibly Target. I'm not entirely sure. If you know you can find it at Target, let me know in the comments below. And possibly select public stores. I haven't entirely checked over there. I do know for a fact that you can find it at CVS, Walgreens, and Ulta Beauty. The price is around $7.99 to $8.99 plus tax. I believe I got mine for $8.99, and by the way, I ended up purchasing this at the same time as the Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo. So I have been using this stuff for a very, very long time. Unfortunately, I cannot get the jar open because I am currently holding, one of my hands is currently occupied in holding this DSLR so you can be able to see me. And I really would like to keep this steady. So, there's that. But this is the packaging. This is pretty much what it looks like. I like the packaging. It's very pretty. And if you haven't seen the product before, this is pretty much what it looks like. Top label, sides, and whatnot. It has none of the nasties in it. It says it's for thick curly hair, but I noticed that when I looked up reviews for this particular product, a lot of the reviews were based on people that had type 3 hair, like curly 3A to 3C, or the magical 3C to 4A hair type that most of us really see on YouTube. So I was kind of left disappointed that some people with my hair type, which is type 4, even though I'm not really big on hair types right now, I just know that it's kinky and it shapes itself into an afro. I didn't see any reviews on this product for my hair type, and it made me quite disappointed. So I thought I'd give you my opinion on it since I have type 4 hair. And honestly, everyone, I am definitely going to be using this again. I really like it. It's upside down. I really like this. So originally, before I even decided to try this, I was, you guys already know the deal. I love the raw shea butter transitioning milk from Shea Moisture. But recently, when I went back, when I ran out of the last bottle and I went to go get a new bottle, I noticed that Shea Moisture had changed their ingredients on the recipe again. Well, like I said, I've been using it for a long time, and it does very well as a moisturizer and as a styling cream of sorts. If you're looking for this to be your ultimate styler, if anything, I recommend that you don't layer it on as much because it's very thick. In fact, you can't see it because the top is on, but if I were to hold this jar upside down, which is what I'm doing right now, it would take a very long time for this product, for the cream inside to pretty much hit this top here. It's that thick. It almost feels like a thick kind of lotion or body cream of sorts. It has a body cream-like consistency, which is basically what my hair really likes. So when I layered this stuff, when I put a little bit of this stuff on, a nickel-sized amount for each section is good enough for me once I'm done dampening it with some water or some aloe vera juice. Once I put this on and smooth it on, my hair is left moisturized throughout the day, and my coils or my afro is very defined. Now it does shrink up because I don't use gels anymore. I haven't felt the need for gels, but when I use just this product and some water, my afro holds a bit of definition throughout the day, but it does shrink up into this nice little shaped afro that really does okay for me. The shrinkage doesn't really bother me as much anymore. I'm not big on shrinkage. This doesn't really have a tight hold on it. So if you want to have a definite hold, if you want to have extreme curl definition, then I recommend pairing this product with like a gel or a defining souffle or something. I don't know. But like I said, I don't use gel, so I can't really speak on that, on its use with other products. As a moisturizer, it does very well. It moisturizes my hair to the point where I can run my fingers through it and possibly a wide tooth comb through it. I have a wide tooth comb, but I haven't used it with this product here. I'm still using my fingers since I find that my fingers are the best tools for it. And it does very well. I mean, I can even get second day hair with this product. That's how good it is. And like I said, this stuff is very, very thick, so a little goes a long way. In fact, I'm actually surprised I'm nearly a third of the product is left over. And like I said, I've been using this for a very long time. So a little goes a long way. It out very quickly that this is the kind of product that is going to last me a very long time. And quite frankly, everyone, I can definitely use this again because I really, 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 really like it. So yeah, I don't have much more to say about it. And by the way, if you're not familiar with Maui Moisture, all of their products start with aloe vera juice as the first ingredient. So if your hair doesn't like aloe vera juice, you might not like this. But whatever, it's totally up to you. But honestly, I give it 5 out of 5 flowers, 5 out of 5 stars, whichever ones you want to go with. I can definitely see myself trying this again, and I'm going to be sticking with this from now on instead of the raw shea butter transitioning milk from Shea Moisture, because not only is this stuff slightly more affordable than what I mentioned seconds earlier, but it's 12 ounces, and because I use a little bit at a time, it's a lot of bang for my buck here. And like I said, for the third time, it's going to last me a very long time. So that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Works very well for my hair type, does great, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do, even though the definition doesn't last very long. But like I said, I don't care. That's pretty much all I have to say about it. If you've used it before, let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. If you have any questions about this product, this particular product here, comments below, leave a question below. If you have type 4 hair and if you've used this product before, tell me how it worked for you in the comments below. So I really, really like to listen to you guys talk to me through the comments here, and I really love reading the results that certain products had on your hair. If you enjoyed my review, a thumbs up is always appreciated. For now, I have to leave you guys because I have a lot of work to do for my class. Luckily, I'm only taking one class this semester since I'm almost done. But I have a lot of work to do, and I really need to get back to doing that. So I will see you guys in the next video, alright? Bye-bye, everyone. Take it easy and try to stay warm, okay? Bye, guys.